everybody, and welcome to Unboxing with Scott. I'm sitting in the greenhouse because I am super duper excited to share with you this product. I have never seen anything like this in my whole entire life. But let me show you. It is a seed kit, but it's not your typical seed kit because it comes with the USP light that you can use as a grow light for your kit. Let me explain. In your kit, you come with your traditional seed cells, and you have the bottom. That's your seed where your water goes in there. So when you water your seeds, you know, the water drains in here. And then you have your dome that goes on the top. That's your typical seed kit. It comes with a tool that you can use to plant your seeds. Also comes with a scoop to put the dirt in the seeds, in the seed cells. Comes with a pen, comes with a label, and then it comes with the dome. And this is your typical dome. But what is really unique about this kit is, let me show you. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and plant our seeds like we normally would. I'm gonna be planting some zucchini. So we're just gonna put our seed in and cover it up with soil. Just like this. And then we're going to write on our labels, zucchini. We'll just put it like that. Now everything is normally what you do, but let me show you the neat part of this. Now you're going to go ahead, you're going to water it, and then we're going to put our dome on. Just like that. Here comes the really neat part. This actually comes with a USB cord with ultraviolet light that's made for plants, and it will do all 5 of them. So you can put 5 beside each other, okay? And then you're gonna put this on the top. And it snaps right into place so they won't fall off. And then you put it in the USB, any kind of USB. So we have it up to a USB charger. Then we're going to turn it on. And it lights up. I don't know if you can tell that on camera. You can have different settings, bright, amazing.